This video will show you how to attach your Google Classroom calendar to your Blackboard account. Once you have created a class in Google Classroom and you have your first assignment, I have an assignment in my class that's due on September 9th, you will need to put your calendar into Blackboard. Every Google Classroom has a calendar, and if you go into the top left menu and you click on calendar, you'll be able to see your calendar for all your classes, or you can specifically see a calendar for just one class in particular. What I'm going to show you today is how to put the Blackboard Google Classroom calendar into my Blackboard site so that parents will be able to view assignments. So we need to follow the following steps in order to link the Google Calendar into our Blackboard site. First thing that you need to do is go to your specific class, then go to the About tab. Once you are under the About tab, click on the link that says Open in Google Calendar. Then you need to find your specific Google Calendar. This account is atypical. I have many accounts in here, many calendars in this account because it also has computer labs in our building. But I'm going to scroll down until I see my Blackboard and Google Classroom calendar. Notice there's a drop-down menu right next to the title. Click on the drop-down menu and then select Display Only This Calendar. Click on the Share Calendar and make sure that the calendar is public. So that's also in the drop-down menu. Share this calendar and make sure that you have this set to make this calendar public. I'm going to undo that for a moment. When you choose this, make this calendar public, and you save it, you sometimes will get a message that says, "Are you sure you want to do this?" And you will need to say, "Yes, I do." Now, in the calendar address pane, we're going to click on the HTML button and copy that link into our Blackboard site. So we are going to go into Calendar Settings, and notice I'm in the calendar address pane right here. Click on HTML. You get a link to your calendar. I'm going to right click and copy my link address. I will say OK. And now we're going to return to our Blackboard site. So I want to now put my calendar for my Google Classroom into my Blackboard site. Notice that I have created a button called Google Classroom, and I am in that area. If I click on that, it'll take me right here. I'm going to build content, and I am going to add a web link because I just copied the link to the calendar. So I'm going to now do Control V to paste my link in there. I need to give it a name. Actually, I think it would be better if I call it my Google Classroom calendar. And then you want to make sure that the settings below say Open in a New Window, and we want to make sure that we can permit users to see this content. I'm now going to click Submit, and I'm going to turn my edit mode off so you can see what it looks like from the student perspective. And if I go to my Google Classroom calendar, it will now open, and notice earlier when I started the video I said we had something due on September 9th, and there you can see the assignment date.